Understanding the phrase, packing up camp. Hello, and welcome to today's English language learning video. In this session, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase, packing up camp. This phrase is not just about camping. It has broader applications in English. Let's dive in and unpack its meaning. Packing up camp literally refers to the process of collecting and storing all your camping gear and equipment at the end of a camping trip. It involves tasks like taking down the tent, folding sleeping bags, and ensuring that no trace is left behind in the nature. This is a common practice for campers and outdoor enthusiasts. In a figurative sense, packing up camp can mean concluding or ending any activity, project, or period in one's life. It's used to describe the process of bringing something to a close and moving on. For example, after 5 years at the company, he's packing up camp and starting a new job. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use this phrase in sentences. The festival is over, so we're packing up camp and heading home. After the project's completion, the team began packing up camp and preparing for their next assignment. Understanding this phrase also involves a bit of cultural context. In many English-speaking countries, camping is a popular activity, especially during the summer. So, the phrase, packing up camp, might resonate more with people familiar with this activity. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, packing up camp. Remember, it's a versatile phrase that can be used literally or figuratively. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing your English.